Alright, tonight for supper, we're making egg salad sandwiches. Alright, I didn't find any one specific recipe that stood out to me. This is what I'm going to use. We got some farm fresh eggs from our chicken coop. And then tonight, my son's going to be helping me, and let's get started. Alright, now me and Charlie are going to take these 14 farm fresh eggs and get them cracked.
On what?
Alright, now I got all the eggs peeled. I got all of the seasoning in. Didn't have pickle relish, so I cut up pickles, cut up half of a sweet onion. Now we're gonna kind of mash this all together and make a sandwich after it chills for a little bit and see how it tastes. Okay, hold on, let me start getting it all broke first, because breaking eggs is hard.
This is fun.
You know what I mean? Mash the fuck out of it.
He's taking the juice off me. My turn?
Alright, now we're done mixing up the
Egg salad sandwich.
now it's in the freezer for 25 to 30 minutes to chill. When it's done chilling and thickens up a little bit, we'll make some sandwiches and give you a review.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, egg salad is done thickening up, setting up, whatever you want to call it. Let's make a sandwich. It thickened up good. Alright, one egg salad sandwich with the help of Charles. Toast. Let's cut it apart. We'll both try it and see how it tastes. Alright, let's try it. Homemade recipe. Toast is a little too toasty. Kind of came up with a recipe on my own. Just looked through a couple of different recipes online, see what there was. And this is what I came up with. Probably better if the bread wasn't so toasty. But that was good. Thanks for your help, dude.
Welcome.
There it is. I'm going to try my second sandwich with some pineapple habanero bravado hot sauce. That's a pretty good egg salad sandwich. Let me show you guys how to make it.